Hello friends, this is your friend Sharda here. So today I am sharing must have authentic South Indian coconut chutney. This chutney is quick, nutritious and best for those morning rush hours. So let's dive into the recipe. Make sure you watch till end as I'll be sharing few tips and tricks, and the same coconut chutney can be made in different ways. All that I'll be sharing in this whole video. In a mixie jar, take around 10 to 15 cashews, soak it in the water if you have time. I usually soak it overnight, add in 2 green chillies and add in the grated coconut. Now grind it as it is. You shouldn't add the water at this point. Once it is a paste, you can always add the liquid into it. Now here is a tip. Instead of cashews, you can even take raw groundnuts or fried grams. Sometimes even mix all these three together and grind it in equal proportions. So some people even take add coriander, mint leaves. It's all up to your imagination levels and even your family's taste buds. Now add in salt and grind it again. Most of them find dislodging the coconut itself a big task. No guys, it's very easy, believe me. You can always do one thing. There's a trick here. Break the coconut by keeping the coconut in the freezer and take the hammer, keep hitting the shell. The inside part will be open. Just peel it like any other vegetable. The other way of dislodging the shell from the inside of the coconut is put it in the hot oven for 15 to 20 minutes and do the same. Add in curds while grinding. You can even add tamarind, Indian gooseberries or amla, raw mango. It's all up to your family's taste buds. I keep changing it. I don't stick to only curds. I keep changing it to Indian gooseberries, amla, raw mango, kokum also at times. So transfer it to the bowl after grinding. Now we have to tamper this. Heat up 1 teaspoon of coconut or sesame oil. Add in cumin or jeera. Then add in mustard or rye. Once these start crackling, add in 1 tablespoon of black gram or urad dal. Add in Asafetida. Add in dry red chillies and curry leaves. Add this tampering to the coconut chutney which we kept it aside. Future I'll be sharing all these different varieties of coconut chutneys, whatever I mentioned in this video earlier orally. But this is a simple way to prepare this chutney. You can even skip cashew nut and still it will taste awesome. See how simple is this to prepare this coconut chutney. It hardly takes 5 minutes of yours and your chutney is ready. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing for more videos if you liked this video. Comment below if you want any recipe. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.